Hey folks, welcome back to Thursday Cooking with Kevin. Yeah.
What you wearing? What you
I'm
wearing?
back. So, I'm wearing this nice apron that now you're putting me on the spot.
Ian
sent.
Yes.
Yes. So, nothing too complicated tonight. We have people stopping in on the way to Alberta. We're doing very simple potatoes and steak and Caesar salad. Now, I want everybody to brace themselves. Look at these nice beef strip loin steaks that I got. And they're $40.
Look at the price.
Look at it. Okay. That's not the shocker. My wife suggested that we made
Swiss steak.
Swiss steak out of them. So, yes, she did. So, for those who want to kill her for saying that, absolutely. Yes.
And I even heard.
Okay.
And then we're having Caesar salad.
Yeah. I think I mentioned that. Caesar salad, steak, and the potatoes. Anyways, I gotta go. I gotta get the barbecue on. I gotta get this started because it's almost 6 o'clock here, so we're not gonna be eating until at least 7 o'clock. So.
See you in a bit. So where are you at?
I'm in my house.
Caesar
I don't know where we got
salad going.
Caesar salad going.
Spinach dip.
Right in for spinach dip. The potatoes are going to be done shortly, which means I can start doing the steak.
We'll just bring them back when we set the table.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Steak is done.
Yummy.
Come here. Baked potatoes. Salad. We got our other stuff on the table.
Right there. That
That is
is
it
our Cooking with Kevin.
for this week.
Catch you next.
Bye.
So what are you doing to the steak, hon?
I am putting Montreal steak spice on it.
No, this one is because
That one is not because our one guest is allergic to pepper.
Yeah, I think so. Yep.
Is it spicy?
And this is what we're having for appetizer. I got spinach dip and garlic naan bread.
But it's still spicy.
All right. No.